Welcome to Royal Ontario Academy. Learn more about Reach Ahead, program for grade 8 students. Looking to get a head start on high school? The Reach Ahead program at Royal Ontario Academy is the perfect opportunity for ambitious grade 8 students or those entering the summer before grade 9 to take high school credits. With approval from both Royal Ontario Academy and the student's primary school, this program is ideal for those who thrive in independent learning, need flexible schedules, and are eager to challenge themselves academically. How can the Reach Ahead program benefit grade 8 students? Reduce academic load in grade 9. Completing a mandatory course in advance allows students to ease their workload in their first year of high school, reducing stress and enabling better time management. High-performance athletes, frequent travelers, or students with other time commitments can also benefit from spreading out their grade 9 credits, making it easier to balance academics with extracurricular activities. Smooth transition to high school. The Reach Ahead program bridges the gap between elementary and secondary school, helping students adapt to high school expectations, course structures, and academic routines. By tackling high school level material early, students gain a better understanding of the challenges ahead and develop confidence in handling more demanding coursework. Enhanced flexibility in course selection. Completing a compulsory course before starting grade 9 opens up more opportunities to select electives, allowing students to pursue subjects they're passionate about and enrich their high school experience. Fulfill OSSD online requirements. The Ontario Ministry of Education mandates 2 online credits for the Ontario Secondary School Diploma, OSSD. All Royal Ontario Academy courses meet this requirement, providing students with greater flexibility in course timing and selection. Students interested in the Reach Ahead program must submit a request to Royal Ontario Academy's principal for review. Once approved, students can register and begin their journey toward high school success. The Reach Ahead program is not just a head start, it's a leap forward. Prepare, excel, and embrace the future with Royal Ontario Academy.